Hey girls, so today I'm gonna do a review of my custom doll gift. So yeah, the packaging is Monster High, like, so I'm gonna unwrap it. So I'm gonna pass it first. So the packaging is really pink and black and some colors. So I like it. And there's a Monster High lettering and the skull. And the Monster High logo, and it's kind of spider web, and I kind of think it resembles a tree. And there's some zipper and some chains and some cool designs. In this side we had the film of the 6 main characters in the Monster High. First is Frankie, as usual. Next is Draculora, Laguna Blue, Claudine Wolf, and my favorite most of all, the whole world, Cleo Denial, and Goldilocks, her BFF.
Universe pa nga na to.
And this is the logo.
MU.
And the shadow of the logo.
The shadow.
The side is the zipper, and it's kind of fabricated.
You said it's the shadow.
And the Monster High skeleton and the letter. And this side is nothing, so yeah. I'm gonna unbox it, so wait, I'm gonna need a stand. Oops. Sorry. So for me, I'm just gonna unbox it. Some tape. It's pretty secure. Oops, sorry. It's pretty secure, much. I'm gonna remove the tape. Ooh. So, sign. And it's like a shoebox, it's a shoebox. And this custom doll is really not repainted, just the dress and the look. So, yay, I have Cleo! But in different name. She's not Cleo anymore. She's Clea. Sorry, it's not Cleo. It's still her name, Cleo. But it's a custom doll for a dress like this. And cool shoes. And it's not pretty held much. And this picture they mean shirt. Cool. And a basket. I think it's shopping girl doll. And Coca-Cola. Joke. It's just a Monster cold drink. I mean slime drink. So you put it there. So thank you for watching this week's review. So please like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to have another cool review. So bye.